Find the inverse of the 1-to-1 function y equals 3x minus 7. Well, basically, I like these little Eddie Murphy movie trading places because all I'm going to do is trade places with the x and y and then solve for y, because the inverse, basically x and y trade places in an inverse function. So I'm going to do the same thing here to find the equation and see if it is 1-to-1. So I'm going to add 7 to each side. And then I'm going to divide by 3. So x plus 7 equals 3y. Divide the whole quantity by 3. And basically that does make a function. You could write it 1/3 x plus 7/3 if you wanted, but that would make a function that is 1-to-1. So let's look at this one here. So this one's y equals 5x, like Eddie Murphy, just trade places with the x and y. And solve here, I'm just going to divide by 5. Well, I should have started with this one. This one's easier than the last one. That would be like 1/5 x, and y is by itself, so that makes it 1-to-1. And this one's the same thing. So we have f of x, so find the inverse. Basically, f of x is the same thing as y, equals x cubed minus 4. Well, trade places with the x and y. Add, oh, that should be a 4. That should be a 4 there. I have a 4 right there, though. That's good. I think I copy and pasted. Might be a 3 on the test. All right. So add 4 to each side. Then I'm going to cube root. This is a third, so I'm going to cube root it. And that's the thing about cube roots is it can still be negative, so you don't have to worry about a positive or negative. So this one is 1-to-1 also. Actually, I found this one. I found the inverse, which it also happens to be 1-to-1. Oh, but don't forget to write the inverse function to be like that, because that's the symbol for inverse function. Ooh, glad I clicked before I hit stop sharing.